The next steps might seem a little bit tricky. What you need to now get is a cotton sapling. This is my first part of the tutorial about how to obtain mud. So all you're going to need to do is go to your crafting table. You're going to have to find a cauldron. In this case we're going to use an oak cauldron, and you're going to make it just like an iron cauldron but out of wood. You're going to go ahead and place down your cauldron. You're going to go and get a bucket of water, which you can see in my previous tutorial about. You're going to put the water in, get a dirt block and put that in the water. You now have mud. You can use this for 4 saplings. Today we're using this for cottonwood. Cottonwood, you then get yourself a clay sapling and right click on the cauldron. This will give you some jungle saplings. If you have a look at the cottonwood sapling, you can see it needs 3 bone meal, a vine and a jungle sapling. We have now got the jungle saplings. However, you may not have a vine. So this is the best way to get a vine. Get a drying rack, which you should already have, and you put a jungle sapling on the vine for 45 seconds. So let's go do that now. I'm going to do 2 for this tutorial. The drying rack is nearly done, so we should now have some vines available. Now all you need to do is craft your cottonwood sapling. You should be able to get bone meal from using a bone saplings and or crushing dirt in a crushing tub. And there you go. That is how you've got cottonwood. This has been a mud and cottonwood sapling tutorial on Sky Factory 4.